Now, this is a disputed question. Is a person a soul, or does a person have a soul? Until very recently, in writing my systematic philosophical theology, I was undecided about this. It seems to me that either view could be held by a Christian. You could say that I am a composite entity made up of a body and a soul. And so I am not a soul, but I have a soul. And certainly this is an ordinary way of speaking of human persons as body soul composites. On the other hand, many substance dualists who believe in the reality of the soul think that the person is the soul who has a body. So a person is identical to a soul and has a body to which it is intimately connected and uses as an instrument for thought and action and perception in the world. And in my systematic philosophical theology, I present an argument which I'll be sharing in the fall at the annual Evangelical Philosophical Society conference, that in fact, human persons are souls, that each of us is identical to his soul. So we are not composite entities, we are souls who have bodies. And interestingly enough, this conclusion came about not as a result of my study of doctrine of man, but as a result of my study of the doctrine of Christ. It was Christology which led me to this conclusion based on my rejection of compositional models of the incarnation.